Guess who's back in the house? Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. We are back. I took a much needed 2-week break. Honestly, the little break was short, but it made me miss making videos. So I am back. I will not be missing any more weekend uploads, so do not worry, I am here to stay. Today we are going to be reviewing the Mod About You extension, I would call it, since it's not like the initial launch. They've added some lips to the collection and this cute little beret. So if you want to see how to get this look right here and what I think about these new additions to the collection, then keep on watching. I'm back. I'm going to be doing an orange look today to go with my new Trixie Cosmetics beret and lip. They kind of extended the Mod About You collection, which is actually my favorite blush palette ever. So I'm very excited about that, and of course we'll be using that blush palette today. And I just wanted to kind of jump in with the eyes, I think, and just get this going. Alright, we are zoomed in. Is this like helpful when I zoom in? Do you guys like that or no? So I'm going to start with the Malibu Barbie palette. There's a cute orange color, Let's Go Party, which is like, oh my god, no. Someone's not behaving. This little lady can't chill, so I'm gonna go put her downstairs, but bye! Okay, we're trying again. I'm gonna map out what I want really quickly with a thin brush. Take a flat brush, same shade. Then I'm gonna slowly start adding more orange. Don't look at the lid because that's gonna be totally different. So I'm gonna take a little bigger brush. I think I'm gonna take the shade Mango from the Mango Tango palette. Then I'm gonna add the shade SoCal from the Malibu Barbie palette. It's just a little darker, and we're gonna keep that more towards like the base. So I'm going to take a white liner from Beauty Creations and we're going to map out our lid. I don't know why that was so hard to remember. White. Take an angled brush, same white shade. See the vibe? It's gonna be fun. Okay, and now I'm gonna take white from the Bottle Blonde in the shade Peroxide. It's just a pure white shade. Get the orange from the Barbie palette right under this new white line. I know it looks a little whack. I'm gonna put lashes on and then I promise it's not gonna look as nuts, hopefully. Okay, I think it actually looks kind of cute. It's just a lot, but you know what? So am I. Let's continue. I'm gonna bronze with my fave KimChi bronzer because this orange situation is just emphasizing how pale I am. Let's get into what started it all, shall we? The Mod About You blush palette. This is so cute. It's well loved. I did go ahead and buy a backup palette for myself. So I've got the Trixie blush brush and I'm gonna start with Plush Bunny, which is that middle shade. I love this blush because it's so like neutral. Now we're gonna take Go Go Girl, which is like the bright orange. It's so pretty. Okay, and then I'm gonna take Plush Bunny on my nose. I'm gonna use the highlight from the palette. I don't really remember what it looks like. We're gonna find out. I think the blush is done. It's so sweet. Obviously, this is just like a look you would wear at the grocery store. Really low-key, subtle, you know, I'm kidding. We're gonna do the lips. I'm so excited. There's just a lot to say. I have never worn orange lipstick before. So we have this beautiful gloss new thing. The lipstick in Model Actress. Let's get into her. I went for a different lip shape today, like more rounded, because I think this look is very like pink. You know, let's try this lipstick. I hope it doesn't make my teeth look brown. Oh my god, it's so smooth. How cute, you guys. Oh my god, and it doesn't make my teeth look brown. Okay, I'm gonna put the gloss on top. Oh my god. Game over. Bye, flops. I'm going to get dressed, put on the beret, and I will be right back. And here's the final look. Yeah, it's a little wild and out there, but it was really fun to do. This beret is so comfortable. I have the pink one they first came out with, and I have a really big head, and it do be hurting my head. This one actually has like this band on the inside, so it's way more comfortable. Highly recommend if it's still on the website. You guys should get one. They're so cute. And I'm wearing my earrings from my sweet friend Shelly. I will link her shop down below. As always, Trixie Cosmetics is putting out amazing makeup. Nothing new, no one's surprised. I loved the lip. Once again, you guys, maybe I'm an orange stan. Like, maybe Legally Blonde was onto something. Is orange the new pink? Honestly, comment down below. The blush is amazing. The lip gloss, the lipstick. Highly recommend all of these products. And you guys, I hit 200 subscribers over my little break, which is so exciting. Thank you guys so much for being here on my channel and liking what I'm doing. It makes me so happy just to read all your comments. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do that before you leave. I will be uploading new videos every week, and I've got some fun videos planned, so you won't want to miss that. That is all I have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.